drinking tea out of fancy looking cups, you know. A few years ago I started doing all this, and so I gathered all these tools, stuff I've gathered along the way, and I love sharing it with you guys. I feel like I could help in a way, or I definitely feel like it'd be beneficial for some people. I have been exploring my mind, and well, right now I'm trying to figure out how to grow my YouTube channel. So if you want to subscribe, it'd help a lot. The homepage, however the algorithm works, you know, you'll get notified and then you'll get more content like this, which is cool. I was thinking, I feel like everyone around me is always in a rush, you know, like trying to get to the next thing or the next destination, wherever that may be. It's like, why? I mean, unless you're in a situation where it's expected to have a sense of urgency, like you're at work or there's an emergency and you have to respond quickly, it's like not really needed if you're just like chilling at home. But sometimes even when I'm here at home, I feel like I'm just like running out of time, or I'm just like rushing. I'm supposed to be doing something, or I'm not doing something. It's a fleeting thought. It just comes and goes, and that's one of the things I want to maybe help other people try to get out of, that mindset, that whole stigma of I always have to be going to the next thing or rushing, or you know, I have to secure something before something ends. And the only thing that comes to my mind right now is a job, because well, I mean, that's kind of where I'm at. But it's like everyone seems to think you have to like secure another job before you quit the one you have, or you're just gonna sink. I mean, you can go a few days, weeks, months without a job. The idea is not to feel like you have to always rush to the next thing. Maybe stop for a minute, stop and look out the window. Just be still and observe. Learn to enjoy things like this tea, which I'm thoroughly enjoying. And I love this cup. Well, if you've been with me thus far, I encourage you to go check out my latest podcast. I'm putting all of them under the communication episode, titled Communication, because what I'm doing is I'm going to read through the Laws of the Spirit book. Here, let me show you. I apologize. I'm back. This is what it looks like. It's kind of a little book. It's not that long, not that big. So I'm starting from the beginning now, because I did an episode, I think, where I just found a random page, and it doesn't really work like that because it's kind of like an adventure, like a story, a coexisting story. So look forward to that. That'll be fun. I love doing that. Other than that, if you would please subscribe. I know I said it twice in this video, but I'm looking for a tribe, a certain type of people. And then you'll be able to see all the other stuff I have, which is a lot of the same things I'm doing here. Find it very interesting. If you're into the same things that I am, if you're into this kind of stuff that I'm talking about, all the things I talk about, you'll love it. No, I mean, it's your life. No pressure.